Fix blurry black and white images in Photoshop. Hello friends, today I will show you how you can reduce blur from black and white images in Photoshop. Please note, this method only works on black and white images. I tried it on colorful images but it doesn't work there. First, unlock the layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 6.0. Now, go to the layer settings and select curves. Drag the left bottom line to the middle. Then drag the right bottom line to the middle as well. And you will see the blur has been reduced from your black and white image.